This is a crypto emergency video as the crypto market has just crashed minutes ago, and that is because of a bearish CPI. I warned you in my video yesterday exactly what would most likely happen. I showed you exactly what would happen. And if you were in the Patreon, I told you all to short the market. I told you to exit the market and let the market crash because it is very likely to happen. 10 out of the last 12 CPIs have crashed the crypto market significantly. Although there was a bullish scenario, we always look for the bullish scenario. I am bullish always, and I expect a bullish scenario. I'm very optimistic personally. It did not happen. It's not happening, ladies and gentlemen. Inflation is not good right now. It is not good, and guess what? This is gonna have to cause the Fed to be more aggressive, raising interest rates, and this is what's gonna continue to crash the crypto markets. The crypto markets will bottom out. They will bottom out. They're gonna stop crashing, and it may be very soon. It may be very soon. But this month, because of this bad CPI, is likely to continue to push down the crypto market. But guess what? It's not the end of the world. It's not the worst thing. It's actually very good news because it's going to allow cryptocurrencies to crash down a lot further, which we can make so much money when the market goes down. We can make so much more money when the market goes down. And guess what? We can buy cryptocurrencies at even bigger discounts. This morning, I made over 65% shorting the crypto market. You can see here 65% in just minutes. The best way to go right now is shorting the market. Also, letting the market crash by pulling out, letting it crash, buying dips, buying crashes, dollar cost averaging. But the best thing to do right now, in my opinion, is if you are not a trader, is to understand that we are in a very strong downtrend. The market is likely to continue to crash further and further. So you have to assess what your game plan is. There's a couple of scenarios. One, you can sell, let things crash. And then when we get bullish signs that the market beginning to recover, then you buy the dip, or you dollar cost average on the way down. Or if you're already holding a bunch of bags and you have money on the sidelines, you just wait for big crashes. Every time there's a big crash, 10% or so, you just continue to add a little bit, and eventually we're gonna hit the bottom. It's gonna lower your overall cost average, so when the market really takes off again, when we enter into a bull market, you're gonna make so much money. You can also trade the market and short the market, and that's why I am a professional crypto day trader offering crypto trade signals. When to sell, when to short, when to buy. All this information you will have access to and services in the Patreon. Join the Patreon right now. The link is in my video description, where I'm soon going to be adding short signals and long signals, which I highly recommend you should take advantage of, especially while the market is doing what it's doing right now. I also have a school teaching people how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrency. If you are interested in this, apply with the link in my video description. So the market has just crashed significantly. I do believe that there's always going to be bounces along with these crashes, but ultimately, with this bad information out here, we have the Fed. They're going to be speaking on this information. They're going to be adjusting their monetary policy, which means they're going to be potentially raising interest rates higher than expected. If this happens, this will crash the crypto markets a lot further. So we're going to have to continue to be patient. We're going to have to continue to implement strategies like I've been mentioning, and eventually the crypto market, probably here in the next couple of months, will bottom out and bounce up very fast. Everyone's pricing in interest rates going up. Everyone's pricing in high inflation. But guess what? Before all of this stuff even ends, they're gonna start to price in cryptos going up. They're gonna start to price in the market bouncing. And they're gonna start pricing that in because interest rates are eventually gonna have to stop being raised. They're gonna have to start pricing in inflation coming down rapidly. When it starts to show itself doing so, that's when the market's gonna take off. And we are not very far from these particular dates. Nothing in these videos is financial advice, just my own opinion. So make sure you guys like this video and subscribe for more content.